howdy, it's your girl. It's been about 300 years since I have been here. Pretty sure my hair was long and I had braces on in my last video, but that's okay. It's okay. This is the look I'm gonna do. It's a pink kind of cut crease. So without further ado, we're just gonna go and get into that. It's thunderstorming outside, and honestly, that's a little terrifying, but it's okay. It'll be fine. Okay, so I just took off the excess eye makeup from like 2 days ago. I'm using the Element of Surprise palette from ColourPop for this look. I'm going to start with I got about 200 brushes. I'm going to start with a brush I got in my last BoxyCharm box. And one of the rhinestones is missing. That honestly breaks my heart. This color I'm going to use Go With The Flow first, and then Labyrinth. And then I'm going to mix some of Blank Canvas in there. So we're going to start blending, boys and girls. Yeah, about like this. This is about what we're going for, so. And now they're both done. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer and just a flat, yeah, it's over here somewhere, I promise. And this concealer brush from e.l.f. and put some of the concealer on my hand and go in and do the whole cut crease magic, or try to. I'm gonna erase all the eyeshadow that has gotten where it shouldn't be, and I'm gonna take I don't even care, just a brush to kind of blend it in there a little bit. Okay. Basically easier said than done, but that's fine. It's not that bad. Your lids. Your lid and your eye bones kind of naturally help you out with that. So after that, I am gonna take a glitter eyeliner from Too Faced, just a silver. It's over here somewhere. I'm gonna take this Glitter Pop Peel Off eyeliner from Too Faced in Super Fun Night and trace right along where the pink and concealer meet. I don't want anything too thick, just a thin line, if you're lucky enough to actually get that. The key is to not overthink it, basically. I dislike guys. Okay. I'm going to take my Elemental Surprise palette again and another brush that came in my BoxyCharm last month and take the color Rain, I guess, and put that on my lid and a little bit outside there. Okay, and then I'm going to take some black eyeliner. This one's from e.l.f. Nothing too fancy. I'm going to freehand this. So please don't, I mean, it's not going to look good. And draw it almost touching, but not the glitter eyeliner. I forgot. We're going to pretend those are even and then go in with the color Feels in the inner corner and brow bone. It's a purple, like a and then go in with this hot pink called Opulent right in the bottom and not stab myself in the eye. And stab myself in the eye as I say that. It hurts. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Voluminous, I can't speak for the life of me ever. Lash Paradise from, I think that says L'Oreal. If you don't make an ugly mascara face, are you even human? This was very rushed, but I'm still proud of myself. And then, oh my gosh, I just got these two lip stuffs in the mail a few days ago, and I'm still excited about it, so I'm gonna put it on my mouth anyway. One of this is the Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX in the color Ibiza. I'm gonna put that on first. And then on top of that, I'm going to put this NYX Cosmic Metals lip cream in the color Crystallized Metal. I don't even know. I'm going to put that on top. Alright, and that is the look we have now. It was very rushed, and I do apologize. This is kind of a comeback video, I guess. Like, howdy, it's been since like September, August. Why is my cat crying? Anyway, stop. I gotta go check on her. If you enjoyed this, leave a like. If you want to see something specific, leave a comment. If you want to see my other videos, subscribe. Hey Angel, come here. Oh. Oh. This is my son. And thank you for watching.